Welcome everyone, and today I'm going to be starting my Bolton Wanderers career mode. So in this series I'm just going to take charge of Bolton Wanderers, try and get back to the Premier League, because that's where they deserve to be, I personally think. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I am going to be starting with a 60% increase because, no offence, but they haven't got much money and I'd quite like to make a few improvements in this window. I want to bring in some people who the club like players like Adam Lafondra and Gary Medina, but players so on and so forth. So just players like that, and I hope you do enjoy this series. I'm going to be trying to upload this maybe 2 or 3 times a week. So, and the episodes will be ranging between 15 to 25 minutes. So I've got a set face set up. I've called it after myself. I'm going to just put the complex on, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. We're going to be a short back and sides, well, a bit like a short back and sides, brown hair, no beard. We're going to be a tracksuit manager. Spain tracksuit manager's fun. Do the shoes first. But what are all these? Jesus Christ. I haven't even checked the shoes this year. I just go for the black sport runners. I do love the customisation this year. I'm not going to be wearing a tie. So disappointed. I hope you do enjoy this series. I'm going to try and post it as much as possible, to be honest. I am a big fan of the club Bolton Wanderers. I'm not an actual fan. One of the teams I always check the results. I'm the fan of Middlesbrough. I love Borough as well. But you know them teams you just really do like as well and hope for success in them. That's me with Bolton. So we are going to be playing all that. We're going to have a first transfer window, and yeah, let's get straight into it. I play to start with things. I'd love to bring back Linden maybe, but I'm just going to be looking at my budget, thinking what have I got, so on and so forth. So I'm going to be trying to get as many players on the cheap, obviously. Who wouldn't? Except for not. I really need to know. So I'm looking for high. I'm on FIFA to check if there's any like high potential players going on the cheap. Right, it's going to go under rebuild, and I think I might have just found the perfect striker straight off the bat. Oh, which one should I take? Let's go for the 1.37, just for a couple of quid getting into the club. So he's going to be, I'm going to set some options up now. So let's check out the board one first. These are all their expectations. I'm going to try and meet, let's see what they are. So reach the round of 32, fight for promotion, it's a low priority. Within 3 seasons, I think I can do that. Keep players salary growth, right, that's fine with me. And then let's have a little look at the squad. I know Politics has got a lot of potential. We've got Buckley, we've got Dodo, we've got Darryl Murphy, obviously. He's going to be a star for the League One, then I think he's just going to be more of like an impact sub if I want to play it long. But I do want to play a striker up top with him. And I've got Dodo, but I want to bring another man in. So I'm running through my options at the moment. So one of those options is Von Moose. He's from Basel. I'm going to get a scout report up on him. And he's only 18 and he's only about 60 rated. Another player I would like to bring in is in actually my league. So I'm going to see if they would be open to a loan. Jones. Oh, it's a bit broad, but Ricky Jade Jones. I'm just going to see if they'd be open to a loan to start off with. No, right. But can we keep our eye on him? Cost. Anybody else? Just running through my options at the moment. No, I'm not really. I want a good finisher because I want a striker who's going to be at the club for a while, and I am going to set up a youth thing as well. So this season's going to be more about growing young players, getting our squad a bit better, and I really don't want to go for him. Do you know something? I might just splash all the cash straight out. Or should I go for him because judgment gets high there, and I've still got a bit of money left in the bank. Now, anybody is gonna be. I'm gonna go any for 9 months, just because any player will be highly wanted. Because we have got a very little squad, and I'm gonna want to get a few players to stay at the club. So big one, Remy Matthews. You can have 1.5, 1.8 grand a week. That's fine. Now you may think these players are bad, but I need squad depth. So Emmanuel, I'd love to keep you at the club. So will you take a 1.3? Yep. Buckley, 1.8. Zuma, I know a lot of Bolton fans love this man, so I'm going to try and tie him down on 700 quid a week. Yep, fine by me. Senior, never heard of him, sorry. £400. I'm trying to be as stingy as possible because obviously they don't have a lot of money. Brockbank, I know these are on 2 years, but yeah, that should do for now. What's our biggest wage player? Hobbs, right. Who's worth the most in the squad? Matthews, then Hamilton, who's only on loan, and then Emmanuel. I thought Murphy would be there, but he is 29. So my aim is more on younger players. I'd like to bring in English talent maybe. And another player I've got my eye on is Danny Loader, I want to say his surname is, but I'm really not sure. So we'll just pop that on him as well. He's only got 12 months left for his contract. I am going to be simming through the pre-season because I don't really want to play it. If we get the final, I'll play that game. Except from that, I haven't got too many plans on playing games. Obviously, I want to set up a training system because we've got a lot of young players who I'd love to bring through. So, let's see how this will all go. Another player I probably will bring in is Verlinden because I feel like we need another winger. He was really good when he played for the U's. Zuma, I know he's big, everyone likes him. Matthews, please. And then we'll go for our backup keeper as well. Cause that reminds me, I'd love to bring in another goalkeeper. And I'm not planning to spend too much on him. So, let's see what my options are. Weighing up as goalkeeper, but I want decent potential in him. So I'll take that off. Yeah, but I think we can hopefully push for playoffs, but I really don't know. Right, I'm probably just going to set a cap at 200 grand for the goalkeeper. I'm not expecting too much, to be honest. Someone maybe like, yeah, I'm going to look into him. So I always like to have 3 goalkeepers because in the cup I don't like having my first keeper there. I just like to try and keep as fresh as possible. So what's his name? Oh, I can probably just get him for 150 grand. Billy Crellin. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, could you please like and subscribe as well? I'm only 4 for 100 at the moment, so that's a big goal of mine. 140 grand, easy. Sort his wage out. He's only going to want about 800 quid, so that is fine with me. Absolutely fine with me. my most recent video, the Tottenham vlog. I know I've been very inactive, just been taking a break. That has done absolutely absolutely mint, nearly 900 views. So I am so happy about that. Prospect, is he happy with that? That's what he's gonna have to be. 5 years at the club, sounds good to me. He's been at, oh, fair enough, I take that. And I'm gonna have a little look at Verlinden, because I know he's a big fan favourite. Tibio Verlinden, I think his name is. Someone who really got me into like watching Bolton stuff is Thogden. Makes unbelievable content, made me want to start YouTube and everything. So if you're probably watching me, you're probably watching him as well. He's such a legend. He's quite a canny guy by the sounds of things. Hello. I am excited about the future. I'm not really fancying this whole like 4-5-1. I'm just going to see how it plays in this. Because Chris O'Grady on the left, I don't know what I'm thinking. Just thought, oh, no, we don't want too many injuries. Oh, Luke Murphy's out for 6 weeks. Is someone having a laugh? Well, it just opens up the opportunity to play this formation then. I was really looking forward to using Luke Murphy and everything, man. Well, Buckley goes out there, Murphy drops down here. This is where having absolutely no squad depth is awful. Oh, I should have trained Ronan Darcy, shouldn't I? I think if we're going as a centre mid, I don't really fancy playing a CD. I'm like low, so that's what's the team for now. Dodo's going to be on the bench. But I think I've been given a decent squad to work with. We've already picked up a point so far, so we'll just see where this takes us. I don't know what I think of having Zuma as my first choice centre back. Now I know he's a good player and everything in real life, but he shouldn't really be playing at League 1 level. But I'm going to be training him, so it's going to be all okay. At least I hope it is. I'm just checking what his potential is at the moment. He could grow to a 72, which would be absolutely mint. I might just actually keep him there, because he is just a brick wall, isn't he? And I hope no one takes him off my hands. Another 1-1. If we pick up 3 points in the next game, right. Ronan Darcy, that's how I want to train. So, Remy Matthew, I've got no need for you. You're already good enough. Ronan Darcy, because he's got brilliant potential as well. I'm probably going to drop Chris O'Grady for the next game because I don't want to win it. No offence to Chris O'Grady, but I'm not really fancying that 51 pace. 51 and 36.9 pace is not for me. Like, he's got good strength though, so, and he's quite quick. And I don't really know how I feel about having Chris O'Grady as my second choice. I don't think anyone's fancying that one, like. So that's when I find out all about these players. Come on, Bolton. Come on, you White, brilliant. Oh, as I'm slagging him off, he just comes on and scores, and Dodo doesn't. Brilliant, lads, we're through to the semi-final. Obviously, I'm not going to play that one either. Oh, the board was giving us a couple of quid as well. That is just always exceptional to thank you, board. And Von Moose is 59 rated, but I know he has an 82 potential. So that could be very, very nice. Right, let's go Bolton. Just keep on going forward. Who's this Nidam? Is this him from Is that Nidam? Please don't tell me it's Nidam from what's the name? Ipswich. Yeah, it is, thought so. Well, at least he's out my league now. But I know they have a lot of good players on their hands, Ipswich, like young players. Right, let's see what is happening here. So, what's news on Ricky J. Jones? He is 59. Jed Spence. Yes, you are coming to my club. I don't know and don't care what anybody says. You are gonna come to my club and you are going to shine because you're so good in real life. Tibby over Linden, 500 grand. I can probably get him for 400. And Lauder, 700. Maybe snaking a loan for you though. But you have only got 12 months in your contract, so I can't do that. It's never great. Right, Spence, Jed Spence. You are one man to be looked for. Let's see how much you are worth. One football. I feel sorry for what's happened to Bolton. I really do hope they steal, but I don't know if it'll happen. Well, we're gonna look into Jed Spence. Semi-finals. Come on, Bolton. Chris O'Grady is not starting. 2 seconds. Let's just see how knackered Darryl is. Oh, it's alright. Come on, boys. We've got the youth programme setting up and all that. Come on, get us a couple. Get on, boys. Come on, you Whites. Oh, I've better not picked up another. Oh, we actually have. No, everything is going downhill. No. Who is well, we do have what's his name, Lowe, but then we do have Ron and Darcy, so we are alright in the centre midfield position. I just could use without injuries, to be honest. I don't really want them. They're not welcomed. Brock Banky just go on the bench. Darcy go there. I'm going to drop back. I'm really not sure who to bring in. Is there any decent first team quality players? I don't really know that league, so I'd rather not bring in from that league. Any of these any good? No, absolutely nothing about any of these. We've got to play the final like I said I would though, so that's what's up next. I hope Zuma becomes like a club legend. I'd love to bring in a lot of better players, but I've got to try and be careful because then that'll look really biased. There's a lot of people I want to bring in, obviously I can't because I've got a tight budget. I'm sad Randolph has left, but it's gonna happen. It's too good for us anyway. I'm so happy to sign Roberts up. Right. Do you want me to play this ready? I guess I do need to get some game time in with the boys. No tactics at all. What a stadium, man. Jesus. Come on, boys. High press football is what I'd love to play, but we don't have the ability to do that. So just chase after everything with Darryl Murphy. Be a tough game because the Pro's got a strong team than us. But it's for about 700 grand, so I'd much rather win it. I know I haven't got the best set of lads, but like best ability wise, but just gonna have to work out as hard as possible. Oh, some shot. Come on, boys. Again, I'm going to ask if you can like and subscribe. It's part of the video where I should, so I'm going to do it. Good one-touch football, boys. I like it. Brilliant. No. Oh, I had a feeling he was left-footed. I need to check his foot. Oh, I should have just took it down his right. It's Darren Murphy. Right, that's why we switched him around. That's why you check that. Well, get up, man. That one. Zuma is an absolute tank, and Hamilton's going to control the tempo of the match. Xavi S. I'd love to know what club Hamilton's from. If anybody knows, leave it in the comments, please. Leave it in the comments. I'd love to win this game so we can lift the trophy. Oh, beautiful one-touch football, boys. Oh, great idea, though, lads. Bring it down, politics. If I do mispronounce any footballers' names, let me know in the comments. I will make a lot of mistakes in this series, and because I'm not perfect, I'm only human. Press out a bit more, boys. Go on, Dodo. Go on, Lo. I think you're a bit slow for me, I like him, but... Oh, brilliant, Zuma. Get out your feet. Go and do that nice goal and play it long. Big head, Darren Murphy. Where's British Umberlanga when you need him, eh? I'm joking. Go on, Chickson, get out of him. Never heard that Chickson, like. Oh, lovely Remy Matthew. It's a good way of getting a long pass out. Use the R1 button and then move it to the right on the right stick or left, whichever way you want to go, and it just gets it out the feet in time. Hobbs, you're getting paid my best wage. I want you to defend well. Pace and power. Go on, Emmanuel. Oh, get up. You want to be a rugby player, didn't you? You want to be a rugby player and you're going down with that. Half time, one of the most boring halves you'll ever watch. Not that you've watched hardly any of it. Any subs we can make? Nah, I'm not all for the Chris O'Grady thing. You will come on as a sub though. Lovely. Oh, politics, when you are like that 70 rated youngster, you are going to be unbelievable for me. 79 rated when you hit max potential. But there's that thing where you play more games with them, isn't it? I can't remember what it's called already. Slide. Blocking's massive this year as well, isn't it? So get it out. Out! Good pass. Go on, I'll put it out. Just keep. Go on, left. Need runners off him, to be honest. Loads behind him. It's alright, just playing better football. Oh no, it's just been broken. So much. Get yourself back into position. No. I thought I was in for a moment. Oh, lovely Tyrell Murphy. Go on, lad. Oh no! If you just had that little extra pace from 3 years ago when he scored 27 in the championship. It's a good sign, I thought. Because obviously he's a lot better in real life than what he is in FIFA because he's slow. But he's an unbelievable finisher. He obviously still can beat a defender. Just because he's old doesn't mean he doesn't know how to play football. On FIFA it obviously does so. Step back. Pace him. Not that you've got loads of pace, lad, but go on, Hamilton, get back in. Work. Lovely. Go on, Buckley. I haven't really seen anything from you this game, so I'm going to get you on the ball. Never mind, I'm going to go through the centre. Oh my god, that hit the post. Unlucky Darren Murphy. Thought it was just took onto your left. Would have been straight in. Just felt like it was my only option. Just take it on his right. Runners, please. I just have to go for some of you boys. We're running out of ideas. We're running out of energy in the midfield, so I want to go a bit more attacking with Ronan Darcy, obviously. You any better than Chickson? We need that little bit more like energy down the left, so I'm all for it, to be honest. Yes, we get it. There's loads of subs coming in. Right, pressure high, boys. It's only 10 minutes left. No, boys, don't drag yourselves out. I have been happy with the performance, though. Come on, boys, push out a bit. Not losing to our stupid defensive incapabilities. Go on, big head. Brilliant. Go on, Dodu. Last minute winner! Get on! The boy, the man, the myth, the legend, Dodu himself. Yep, just looking if there's any subs to be made.
Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life ever when I do nothing to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame.